Hey, have you heard of Work Breakdown Structure, WBS? It's a planning tool that breaks down a project into smaller, manageable parts.
Yes. WBS is a hierarchical decomposition of a project into smaller, more manageable pieces. It's an essential tool for project managers to ensure that all project deliverables are accounted for.
Interesting. What are the different levels of WBS?
There are 4 levels of WBS, which include project, major deliverables, sub-deliverables, and work packages.
What's the purpose of WBS?
The purpose of WBS is to organize project deliverables into manageable pieces, making it easier to plan, execute, and monitor the project. It helps to ensure that nothing is overlooked.
Can you give me an example?
Sure. For example, if you're planning a wedding, the WBS would include categories such as venue, catering, decorations, entertainment, and so on. Each category would be broken down into smaller subcategories, such as food, drinks, and seating arrangements for catering.
Got it. What are the different types of WBS?
There are 3 types of WBS: deliverable-oriented, phase-oriented, and process-oriented. Each type is used based on the project's requirements and needs.
What are the advantages of WBS?
The advantages of WBS include better project planning, improved communication, easier monitoring and control, and more accurate cost estimation and budgeting.
What are the limitations of WBS?
The limitations of WBS are that it can be time-consuming to develop and maintain, and it may not work for every project. It's essential to consider the project's complexity and scope while deciding to use WBS.
What's the 100 rule in WBS?
The 100 rule in WBS states that the sum of the work package estimates within each sub-deliverable should add up to 100% of that sub-deliverable's estimate.
What is a WBS code?
A WBS code is a unique identifier assigned to each element of the WBS. It makes it easier to track and manage project deliverables.
What is the difference between WBS and project plan?
WBS is a tool used in project planning, while a project plan is a comprehensive document that outlines the project's scope, timeline, resources, and budget.
Is WBS a planning tool?
Yes, WBS is a planning tool that helps project managers plan, execute, and monitor projects.
What is WBS in SAP?
In SAP, WBS is used to assign costs and resources to specific parts of the project. It's an integral part of project management in SAP.
What is a high-level WBS?
A high-level WBS is a top-level view of the project's deliverables, broken down into broad categories. It's useful in the initial stages of project planning.
What is the first level of WBS?
The first level of WBS is the project level, which includes the project's main deliverables. It's the highest level of the WBS hierarchy.
What is the difference between WBS and Gantt chart?
WBS is a tool for project planning and organizing deliverables, while a Gantt chart is a tool for project scheduling and tracking tasks. They serve different purposes, but are both essential in project management.